Wow,
Right.
Bill is going.
Be more aggressive, eh? You gotta be more
10
aggressive.
seconds.
Put your gloves face. Cover your face. Don't look away. And Fu, keep your try to advice for you is just I don't know. Don't move too much. Save your energy. Right.
I just want to throw him down. Finish it.
Okay. Yo. Anytime you guys are ready.
Go.
Start slow or whatever. Warm up.
I need to warm up.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Pull.
All right.
Okay, let me go crazy. I'm fine.
I'm just gonna kill him with that. I'm gonna put like cannon.
Am I allowed to keep wailing at him?
Yeah.
If you want to.
Alright?
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry. Alright?
Yeah.
Keep going. You guys are fighting.
Yeah.
Keep your balance. Balance is everything in this.
You keep turning around, yeah.
Sorry.
You keep turning around after I swing one left.
Don't turn around. Dodge it. Dodge it. Move around. That was nasty. That was behind the head.
I know, it feels like I take my time. Fuck off.
Gloves up. Gloves up. All right.
Leave yourself to open. Your head is open.
Gloves up, man. Gloves up. Gloves up.
Keep this glove towards your left face.
Yeah. Gloves
This
up.
one, to your face.
Yeah.
Because every time I go in right here, your face is open right here. One hit with my normal punch, you'd be knocked down.
Those are fighting words.
Yeah.
Those are fighting words.
Oh shit, sorry.
Okay. None of the punches hurt.
You guys done already?
No, that's...
What?
I'm not Danny Howard though.